To request to re-enroll an education service contracting dropout or leaver, proceed to the Re-enroll Grantees tab. And provide the ESC school ID of the school where the ESC grantee last attended. Provide the ESC student ID of the ESC grantee to be re-enrolled. Attach the following documents: certification from the doctor, medical certificate, request letter, click Submit. Review the ESC grantee details. Click Confirm to submit the request, or click Cancel to dismiss the request. Billing of re-enrolled ESC grantee is subject to the review of the PEAC National Secretariat. While the review is pending, the box beside the ESC grantee is disabled when creating a billing statement. For updates, check the status of service requests page regularly.